Rocket launch warm-up. The fireworks extravaganza in Denton, Texas is a 4th of July fireworks display set to music. If a rocket firework is launched with an initial velocity of 39.2 meters per second at a height of 1.6 meters above the ground, the equation h equals negative 4.9 t squared plus 39t plus 1.6 represents the rocket's height in meters after t seconds. According to the picture below, when will the rocket explode and at what height? From what you know about quadratics, the rocket should explode at its maximum height. Using your graphing calculator, plug in the equation into your y equals graph, and then you'll notice that the highest point is reached at if you move it over 79.2 meters, and that is in a time of 3.98 seconds.